So we're at the Nature Glen Center. It took about 10 minutes, a 10-minute walk from the botanical gardens, which isn't too bad. Everybody's looking for parking, so I'm glad we stayed where we did and just walked down, because we passed by earlier today and it was packed. We couldn't find parking, so yeah. Let's see what it looks like over here. Well, I told you, honey. Hold on then. No, but if you fall, then I'll fall. We're on the trail. There's a lot of people here. A lot of people. You basically have to walk like in single file, so it doesn't really feel like a hike. This is what the trail looks like, so make sure you wear proper shoes. This hike is intense, but it's worth it. Look at this view. Oh my god. What a beautiful view. This is so beautiful. This was worth the wait in line, the hike, everything, just to see this. That is so cool. I want to do that next time we come. I don't know if we could do that today.
Line up?
I don't know, or we could just come back just to do that. Another boat is coming, another jet. Whirlpool jet, I think. Oh my god. That is crazy. So cool. chill, hiking the trail. If you guys know any really good like hiking spots in the GTA, let me know down below. I love going on hikes. This is absolutely beautiful. Look at this view, guys. Oh my gosh. I never knew about this place until I think like 2 weeks ago. I was looking up things to do in Niagara. It's so beautiful. I'm just like sitting on a rock and you can just see the water. This is the most beautiful hike I've been on. I'm dead tired, I'm not gonna lie, because we took a trail where you're going down a large bunch of rocks and coming back up. So yeah, it's intense, but I'm just enjoying this view right now. Absolutely beautiful. And I definitely want to go on that boat one day. It looks like so much fun. I actually think this is the closest we've been so far.
Hi Sasha.
Hey, where are you
We're on the river.
The river? People are actually like going down there. That's crazy. Like, I'm adventurous, but I'm not that adventurous. Are you that adventurous so far?
Yes, I am.
He would go. He would go. I definitely would not go. I'm too scared. We're still hiking. It's so beautiful. Actually lied. LeVar reminded me. We hiked in Tobermory, and that I think was #1, right? In terms of views, but this one's really nice too. People have probably like gone down there, but I don't think you're supposed to. Well, or maybe you are. I don't know. There's no sign there, but it's too close to the water. There are a lot of trails to go on. We're on the waterfront trail right now, but I think there's like 5 or 6 other trails, and it was packed when we came in, but like as soon as we started like hiking and everybody went their own way, you don't see much people anymore. There's certain parts, like the picturesque parts, where you'll see a bunch of people lined up to take pictures. How beautiful and woodsy it is here. It would be so perfect if a deer just came walking through. Believe it or not, I've never seen a deer in real life, like in the wild. That would be beautiful to see. LeVar, come here. How are you loving?
I'm having fun actually. Lots of fun.
Sorry,
walk.
he's taller than me, so I feel like put the camera up high.
Wow, I'm glad you admit it now. Yeah, well, the trail is wonderful and the view great, amazing. So anyone would just come along. It's a nice little workout. You get some nice cool breeze while you're walking through these tall trees, and it's just amazing.
Yeah. So we're gonna try and rush now because it's 2 o'clock and we have to be back at the car by like 2:40, and I don't even know if we're halfway through the trail yet. It's a long one. I think it takes 2 hours. So we'll see. Okay guys, we lied again. This might be the closest we've been to the water so far. And we're walking along the waterfront trail, so every time we like make another stop, we're like, oh, this is the closest. Oh, this is the closest. It's beautiful. So that's it guys. I hope you enjoyed this video of the Niagara Glen Nature Reserve. We had a great time doing this hike. We're just gonna finish it off and exit, but let me know if you enjoyed it. If you've been here or if you're planning to come here, let me know in the comments, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!